I'm still working on the wiring for the valves. So I got one of them already strung through the bottom here, and I'm gonna go over to the other side, do the same. Then I'm going to go underneath and kind of mock up the valve pipes themselves and feed the wiring through back up to the top and make sure everything looks good before I move on to anything else. So my plan for kind of holding these in place is I have these old couplers that I'm just going to reuse. So I cut them off pretty short, but it should allow me to fit the pipes up without having to weld or clamp anything to the rest of the system that's currently in there, or down that's currently in place. So that's what I'm gonna do at the moment. But yeah, I'm gonna get up to the other side here and feed that wire in through. Here's the other wire, and there's the other hole. So I'm just gonna do this for the moment, that way I can at least attach it later, or whenever I get down there and pull the rest of the wires up through. But yeah, once I get everything snug in place, I'll put the grommets back on, feed the wire through those, and then get everything buttoned up there. But now I guess I'm ready to go underneath the car and mess around down there. Alright, so wires are fed down, cool, and got both of these. So yeah, this one's gonna have to go this way, and then this one's gonna have to go this way. Huh? Actually, nope, looks like this one's gonna have to go this way. Otherwise, this bottom plate ends up, yeah. This the backside here ends up hitting the fuel tank. So yeah, it looks like well, that's really not ideal. Yep, can't go that way. Probably can't go that way. Nope. Alright, well, looks like we're going this way. Although now I can't really chop this down much. I wouldn't have any more clearance. So yeah, looks like I'm stuck going this way. Okay, well, at least that answers that question. Alright, well, looks like that should work just fine. So once I clean these up and actually get these seated, this should work all right. Yep. So yeah, I'm gonna take this down and clean up both of these. That way it's gonna be easier to slide them in and out of the valve pipes, and go from there. Okay, I'm back under the car, so off camera I welded up the H and the X pipe together, since this is definitively the only piece I know of at the moment that's not gonna move anywhere or gonna need to be adjusted. Yeah, need to be adjusted at all. So I went ahead and welded that all together. So I think what I will do now is I will get the mid pipe seated back up to here, and then I'm going to get the valve pipes back in place where I'm wanting them, and I think I'm going to tack them from there. At least just do a couple tack welds. That way they're not going to move where I'm wanting them. And then I think from there I should be able to start building off to the back, or to the rest of the exhaust in the back here. At least that's just what I'm thinking at the moment. So we'll get to it and see how it goes from there. That's snug at the moment. So now I can slide this back on. Cool, I like the way that is sitting. Looks like everything's running parallel as it should. I could make that work with angling the valves up. There's a maybe not. I guess I'll kind of leave these like this for the moment, just so I can kind of get everything else mocked up, because I should be able to adjust these however I need to anyway. But yeah, I think I might end up running into some clearance issues depending on how high these end up sitting by the end of it. Okay, yeah, I can live with that for the time being. So now I need to figure out the rest of the length going out toward the back of the car, which I may end up reusing the old, I guess the old mid pipe that was on the previous exhaust, since it branches out back behind the car anyway, so that might end up working out. But I am wanting to kind of reposition my mufflers, since the way they originally sit, they kind of angle down and then go up, which I've ran into issues where it hits they hit things on the ground when my car is sitting low, which, yeah, I know partially my fault for the car sitting low, but I don't want to run into those issues. So I think I'm going to try to reposition them so they kind of sit more up here, and then they have smaller pipes going down to connect to the rest of the car. So I'll play around a bit and see how I will make that work. Okay, so for my next step, I'm going to actually clean up the ends on my muffler here, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get these loosely put back up on the hangers, and then work my way back from this point till I get to my valve pipes that are underneath. And then from there, I'm going to try to find another spot where I can put my last two V-band clamps in, just for ease of tear down and stuff like that. I'm kind of considering either doing it here on the back of the muffler, or just before, or what am I trying to say? So yeah, so I'm gonna try to put those V-band clamps either somewhere before the muffler, so at least somewhere behind the hangers is ideally where I want to put them. So either here or somewhere back around here is what my thought is for the time being. But I'm gonna go get the mufflers cleaned up a bit, and then I'll be back underneath. Alright, so quick update. I pretty much think I got this part kind of figured out how I want to do it. I cut some new piping for this piece that is supposed to help rotate, so I am able to align the muffler and the tip a little bit better as I'm getting everything set in place. So I cut a new piece of this so it slides in and out easier, and then I'm just about to cut the original mid pipe here. I am going to cut it a little long, that way I have some room to play with if need be, but I need to trim this up, that way I can help get a little better of an eyeball on fitment as I'm getting closer to putting everything back together. Here's a quick update. I got most of the exhaust loosely fitted. I am gonna have to play around with angles and just some spacing here in a little bit, but I'm getting pretty close to at least connecting one side fully and just basically just test fitting. So I'm gonna hopefully I can get these pipes to line up. So I think I'm gonna pull the muffler off, put this pipe in, and then slide it together and see if everything comes together the way I'm envisioning it. So, starting to think, in order to get this all to work, I may have to do some trimming. Well, I think I made a little progress, but I'm probably going to call it a night. So, I guess this kind of wraps up. See you next time.